Gucabithia igeranio iria irathie na mbere cia KCSE nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ni mugaru na watho, mukana uyu ukirutirwo arutani aria mararugamirira igeranio icio.
To find a paper has been done 30, 40 an hour into the examination time, and you get people uploading it into the social media, which really does not have any impact in what we are doing because our kids are already in examination rooms.
Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Berio Kipsang, hindi ya guthurima mihango ya igeranio mwena wa Kisauni, murutani ona kana murutwo ukunyitikana agithie mugaru na watho wa igeranio ni gutacukirio makinya maria magirire ma KIWATHO.
We have arrested quite a number of them. We continue to deal with them. We continue to deal with everybody that is trying to disrupt the processes of examinations. As late as yesterday, we have discontinued a few people who are playing mischief, be they center managers, be they our officers.
Ona kuri uguo Kipsang augite gukinyiria riu gutire riboti egie wici wa igeranio yandikithitio, akiuga mihango ino ni iratwarithio na njira iria yagiriire guothe bururi-ini.
I know on Monday, the first day, we had challenges because of rains. Yesterday, the rains fairly subsided. Today, from the engagements that I have had with the regional directors across the country, is that the situation looks better.
Maya magithiaga na mbere murutani munene thukuru-ini wa NYAMBARIA kaunti-ini ya Nyamira Charles Onyari ni arugamitio ta murugamiriri munene wa session ya igeranio, undu uria ukinyanirio ni kamiti ya wandikani wa arutani ya TSC. Onyari arugamitio mihango-ini ino thutha wa gukuruhanio na mahitia ma wagarari wa watho na mitaratara ya igeranio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.